I will taste it, okay? So good.
Can I taste? It's good.
Oh, this here na.
Linis.
Yung coffee na. Let's make the coffee na. Oh, you push here. No, not there. You push here. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, done na. Put it back there. And then, I'm gonna do this. Wait lang. Wala na?
Okay.
Yan. And then you put it there. And then you push. Ay, hindi kaya, bebe. Ako na. Push, ha? Done na. Put it back. Good job. Oh, let's wait for it, ha? Oh, come here. You did this ulit. Sige.
Ako na.
No, not that. Hot yan. Ito. Now, let's wait, ha?
Ang galing naman. How was it?
Me, Daddy, Puppy.
Thank
Now, you're making daddy's coffee.
Yeah, I some tap.
Nasaan ang cup? Oh, wait lang. Pinaprepare na. Oh, turn it up!
Nana.
Done na. Oh, wait. I'm gonna put, ice sa daddy's coffee. Oh, mainit nga yan. Oh, you put na ice. Ikaw na lang mag-put na ice. I'm gonna hold. Oh. Open. Here. Put ice. More. Put a lot. Yan. More pa. More pa. More pa. Oh, enough na. Oh, put it back. Put coffee na sa daddy's ano. Oh, careful po.
Mas
Slowly
kita ba
po.
dyan kesa dito?
Wow. Done na. Puput na lang ang top. Wait lang. Straw, wait lang. Wait lang. We will put something pa on top.
Ano ka pa ha?
Let's put this.
What do you mean?
Oh, hold mo. We will put.
Wow.
Done. Ayan, nalakuha na siyang straw. Wait lang, put the lid. Not the straw muna. Ito, oh. Where we put this? Oh, punta ka din sa chair.
Tinedim na nagawin gusto.
Ha?
Hindi siya titigil.
Oh, kaya nga. Oh, wait lang. Put the lid na. Push mo na. Sobrang ice. Ay, talaga.
Wait lang.
Too much ice. Oh, give na kay daddy. Give na kay daddy. Talaga. Ay! It exploded na.
Put it na, straw. Put mo na yung straw. Dali, I'm waiting na.
Put it the straw na. Yan, put it there. Ay, hindi na bumuka. Oh, give it to daddy na.
Thank you. This is my order.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Mommy.
Also kay Mommy. Can I taste it?
Mommy.
Mommy daw, babe. Can I taste it?
Yes.
I will taste it, okay? So good.
Can I taste? It's good. Daddy to yan.
Daddy ko.
Akala kay Daddy pala to, hindi pala para sa akin. Thank you po.
May make daw siya ng one pa. Thank you po.
You make another one?
Yaman naman ang anak ko. Ang daming pakap eh.
Sarap.
Sarap ka.
Sit kami, sit kami. Okay. Okay, thank you. I love you so much.